Once, in a remote village nestled amidst the mountains, there lived a young man known for his remarkable intelligence. He could solve the most complex puzzles and answer the most difficult questions with ease. People would often come from distant places seeking his wisdom. One day, a traveler from a distant land arrived in the village. This traveler had heard of the young man's extraordinary intellect and sought an audience with him. When they finally met, the traveler said, "O wise Zen master, I have traveled a long way to seek your guidance. I have a question that has troubled me for years. How can I use my mind to its fullest potential?" The Zen master, with a gentle smile, invited the traveler to join him on a walk through the lush forest that surrounded the village. As they walked together, the Zen master remained silent, and the traveler grew increasingly impatient. He had expected a profound answer immediately, given the Zen master's reputation. After a long walk, they reached a serene pond deep within the forest. The Zen master gestured to the water and said, "Look at this pond, my friend. What do you see?" The traveler peered into the clear water and replied, "I see fish swimming gracefully, and I see my reflection in the water." The Zen master nodded and then handed the traveler a small pebble. "Now," he said, "take this pebble and throw it into the pond." The traveler did as instructed, causing ripples to spread across the water. He watched as the fish scattered, disturbed by the disturbance he had created. The Zen master asked, "What do you see now?" The traveler replied, "The water is no longer calm, the fish are agitated, and my reflection is distorted." The Zen master smiled and said, "You see, my friend, the mind is like this pond. When it is calm and still, you can see things clearly, just as you saw the fish and your reflection. But when you introduce disturbances like worries, desires, and impatience, the mind becomes agitated, and clarity is lost." The traveler understood the profound lesson that the Zen master had imparted. He realized that to use his mind to its fullest potential, he needed to cultivate inner stillness and patience. He thanked the Zen master for his wisdom and returned to his homeland, carrying with him not only the answer to his question, but also a newfound appreciation for the power of a calm and focused mind. From that day on, the Zen master's reputation spread even further, not only for his intelligence, but also for his ability to teach others the art of using their minds wisely. The story teaches us to find inner stillness and patience in our minds, to think clearly and use our mental potential wisely. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.